Dear friends, on behalf of the course directors of the Advanced Interventional Cardiology Foundation of India and the 6th CHIP CTO India 2025, we invite you to New Delhi from 30th January, a Thursday 2025 to 1st February, Saturday 2025. We look forward to having you here for this devoted and comprehensive meeting, interacting on the most complex PCIs. Give your patients the best outcomes for complex PCI. CHIP CTO India is the biggest platform in Southeast Asia for learning complex PCIs. We have 17 international faculty from across the globe: United States, Europe, Middle East, whole of Asia, Pacific, and Australia. Some of the best in the world. This is the opportunity to interact, share, and learn complex PCIs. We're going to cover all complex subsets of patients and lesions, devoted sessions for hemodynamic and mechanical circulatory support, symposiums on massive pulmonary embolism, creating a PERT program, of course a lot of imaging and optimization, advancements in new techniques and technology for treating left mains, for treating bifurcation lesions, calcified lesions, diffuse disease, and of course chronic total occlusions, the frontiers of contemporary PCI. Of course, there are devoted workshops which are pretty much hands-on. Learn IVL, learn CTO techniques, learn bailout techniques, complication sessions, learn intravascular imaging with both OCT and IVUS, learn hemodynamic circulatory support, hands-on from the best in the world.